La aproape 2 ani de zile de la lansarea lui S60 a apărut și succesorul lui, S61. Vine cu tool-uri, pentru că practic vorbim despre măsurarea distanței, iar un alt tool este senzorul care detectează calitatea aerului. Rămâne în aceiași parametri cu care CAT a obișnuit piața și utilizatorii, același standard militar, același standard IP68 de protecție la apă și praf, și la șocuri, bineînțeles. Nu în ultimul rând, vreau să adaug și suita de aplicații cu care vine CAT S61. Iarăși un catalog mult îmbunătățit și practic ai la îndemână absolut toate aplicațiile de care ai nevoie. Va putea fi văzut pe rafturile din România în luna iulie, iar ca preț recomandat de vânzare este 899 de euro.
When we came to the 61, we thought we needed to do something a little bit special. So we revisited our thermal camera, and as it boots up here, we decided that the temperature range needed to be higher. So the last device took us from -20 to plus 120 degrees centigrade. We thought we wouldn't just double it, but we'd triple it. So it now goes up to a temperature of 400 degrees. And that increases the use cases from being able to look for damp patches in walls or pipes in walls. And we knew from our research that one of the things that our customers are really concerned about is the conditions of the air around them. So we've added a nose, if you like, into the side of the phone. It's something that senses for volatile organic compounds, or VOCs. Those are the chemicals that irritate. You find them in paints and varnishes and paint thinners, typically being used by people in construction. And it monitors on a constant basis the conditions of the air around. And you can track over time what the air conditions are, you can track over days, you can track over a 7-day total, and see what experiences you're having with the air around you, and change your behaviors perhaps in terms of what you're doing. And so if I go back to here, I'm going to rub our little VOC source. This is essentially like a marker pen. If I rub it on the edge, as it's looking every 30 seconds, it's going to start recognizing the smells that come in. And when it hits the highest level of unhealthy, it will send me an alert. If I had the sound up, in fact, it would be beeping at me at the same time, and I know then is the time for me to take some action. Open a window, go for a walk, maybe change the location of the job site. And then the third part we've added is a laser sensor. We're going to look at the floor for a moment. And what it's doing is it's finding that red dot, and then when I press the button on the camera, it will then recognize the distance. So here we can see it's a distance of 1.33 meters. So this measurement tool allows me to do two things. I can measure distance up to a distance of 10 meters, but also I can measure area. So if I choose a different tool on here, I can start, no, it's still telling me the unhealthy air is there. I can adjust these different bars and measure the amount of materials I might need. We drop test this from a height of 1.8 meters, and we drop it lots of times, 26 times from a height up here onto concrete and metal, and it still passes the IP68 rating that it achieves as well. So all in all, very cool device, lots of great features in it.